At my little corner of Kickstarter, I'm here to ask you to help fund my project today, which involves recycling of glass. Now, you might say, well, heck, we're all familiar with that. You smash it up, melt it down, make it into new Coke bottles, all that jazz. And for the most part, that's how most glass is recycled. It's just what we do. It's easy. It's all taken care of. But it turns out there's a certain type of glass called borosilicate glass, which you probably know as Pyrex. That's the old trade name. This type of glass is used to make labware and cookware and technical glass. It's not your common everyday glass, but there's lots of it out there. You have some in your kitchen cupboards. At any rate, it turns out that borosilicate glass is unrecyclable by the glass industry. They don't like it in their glass stream. It's considered toxic waste, essentially, because it messes up the melting properties of all the other glass. So the glass industry takes great pains to sort it out of the rest of the glass material they're going to recycle. Matter of fact, California funded, they gave like a $50 million grant to a company to build a glass sorting machine that automatically finds the borosilicate on a conveyor belt and blows it out with a blast of air. So this glass is sorted out of the normal waste stream and it's simply thrown away. It's buried back in landfills. So there's literally millions of pounds of this borosilicate every year that just goes into filling up the landfills. Now our interest is that we make a product from borosilicate glass. We make telescope mirrors, and we've also invented a process to take waste borosilicate and cast our own lightweight telescope mirror blanks. So we've invented this process that's green. It uses less material, uses less energy to make the blanks, and it can use a waste material. So what we're trying to do with this project is to ramp up our own facility in order to produce these things. Now we've been experimenting with this for like 8 years. We've got the technique, we've got the process, we've got the materials, we have most of the equipment to do the process on a small scale anyway. So what we want to do is get funded to get some larger equipment, some larger kilns, better machines to process the molds, marketing budget, because we can take this process and we can start getting this material that would normally go into the landfill, and we can turn it into a useful product, and a product that has longevity. We're not just making another Coke bottle. We're making something that's going to last for years and years and years and be used. It's a highly technical product. So, as part of developing this whole process in searching for out the material, we kind of stumbled on this whole waste thing. The people that have borosilicate as a waste, they're very interested to be able to recycle it. It almost got annoying when we made some phone calls to ask about it, and they caught on to the fact that we could take their waste from them. They just really almost hounded us to take it. We want you to do this now. And we're saying, well, we're not ready yet. So like I said, what we're trying to do is raise enough capital here to commercialize this process and be able to take this waste and turn it into a useful product, and help divert it from our landfills. So in order to make this become a reality, what we're attempting to do is to use Kickstarter to make enough pre-sales of our product to people that are interested in order to raise the funds to secure the remaining equipment and materials and get the glass collection going so we can go ahead and do that. Now I'll divert really quick here. So maybe you're not into astronomy or making telescopes or optics or anything like that, but you still are interested in helping out because it is a green project that we're trying to do here. What we've done is we've designed some rewards that will make using our equipment that are suited to non-astronomy type people. They can be given as gifts. So check those out on the sidebar where the rewards are if you're interested in donating and helping anyway. Now for the astronomy people, the optics people, what we're going to offer is 3 sizes of engineered lightweight cast mirror blank in a 12-inch, a 16-inch, and an 18-inch. So those will be ready for you to have ground and polished into a finished optic of your choice. For the people that aren't into finishing optics but still build telescopes or want a telescope mirror to build a telescope around, we'll also offer those finished in our own optical shop. We'll finish them into F5 parabolic mirrors. So what we're asking is to go ahead and help us out to get this rolling. Click on the buttons on the sidebar there and help us out. We appreciate it very much. Thank you.